Lumelang Basotho, Lumelang, Lumelang Basotho, Lumelang, Lumelang Basotho, Lumelang, Lumelang Basotho, Lumelang, Lumelang Basotho, Lumelang. Vamos já Lumelang, e ale Lumelissa. Outra belina, e ale Lumelissa. Outra belina. Lumelang Basotho, Lumelang, Lumelang Basotho, Lumelang, Lumelang Basotho, Lumelang, Lumelang Basotho, Lumelang, Lumelang Basotho, Lumelang. Vamos já Lumelang, e ale Lumelissa. Outra belina, e ale Lumelissa. Outra belina.
Lelimo na Berlin, Keaurata Minova Famo. For the following Mipela, I don't need a singing talent, I can just talk about Minova Famo. At a certain point in life, I realized that some Famo artists don't know how to sing. I also don't know how to sing, and I even don't have a melodic voice, but I can go to studio, right? Whoa! The purpose of the song is to give a short summary about Famo itself in a Famo song for the non-Basotho audience. Cha-cha! Famo is the traditional music of the Basotho. Surprisingly, the most important element is the Koreana accordion, which came from the Negroa, the white man. The Sotho own homemade instrument is receiver, a one-string oil can violin. But Famo with Koreana is much more famous. Haha. Kalamela Jerry. The accordion is accompanied by katara bass and Europa drums. Often the artists include besides the lyrics emulations like elelelele or the whistle. Famo music was born in the 40s, 50s and got very popular in the 80s and 90s. This music is deeply connected to the mining industry. Back in the days, many Basotho emigrated to Gauteng, Maboneng to earn their living in the mines and had to be entertained after work. Mona hole hole, sure. So they brought their music with into the mines. By the way, how does it come that 30 years after apartheid, all the mines are still owned by white people? Oh, good Säcke. Here comes Marashe and Mahomosha. Mahomosha is the Sotho name for Sama Sama, which is illegal mining. Many workers prefer this life while risking their life. Marashe describes the Basotho clan structure. So Basothos are split up to different clans coming from different districts in Lesotho. Each clan has their own kind of melodies. Unfortunately, some of them are rebelling and fighting each other. So many hundred artists have lost their lives. John Nanawe. For the interested, there are a lot of online articles which describe the Famo Gangwa, including the political conflicts. Just this year in April, an excellent BBC article for reading and a 30-minute podcast was released. As I support peace and diversity, I'm greatly indebted to Lekotla Namarumo, as that company achieved a lot with uniting artists. With my very limited Sotho knowledge, I don't need to worry about the content, as some lyrics are sometimes very insulting. I can listen to whoever I want and to acknowledge the diversity. And for myself, the effort of connecting to artists pay off. Now I am in the studio and part of Famo. Alle Barge, Lelimo na Berlin. Alle Barge.